Today I am creating a DIY using natural cardboard rolls. Start by creating a circle on the cardboard, then cut it out. Cut the cardboard rolls into smaller pieces, about 5 pieces each. Stretch the cut cardboard rolls to formulate the original circle. Take the cut cardboard rolls right around the cardboard. Continue by adding 2 more layers. Repeat the same process using a smaller circle. Stick cardboard rolls right around the circle with 2 layers instead of 3. Remove the top and bottom layer of the cardboard, cut into smaller sizes, then stick the designed cardboard right around the edge of both decor. Create 2 small holes in the center of the bigger cardboard. Add a piece of rope in the hole, which will be used for hanging this lighting decor. Create knots at the end of the rope to secure it. Stick 4 whole cardboard rolls in the center, covering the rope. Attach the smaller decor inside the bigger one on top of the 4 cardboard rolls. Stick the light in the center of the decor. Hang this beautiful piece and enjoy it in its natural state. Comment below and let me know if you would prefer this chandelier natural or painted, and if painted, what color. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this budget-friendly DIY lighting decor. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, and until next time, elevate your space, not your spending.